know I walk with the limp, cause my third leg, it rings true. She thought the rumors were it, until she witnessed the truth.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy JB, aka MyMixEngineer. Question: if you want a kick, or let's say an 808, to sound like you kidnapped somebody in your car, you know what I mean? I'm talking about like your trunk is rattling. The nigga, your boy in the back seat is getting a back massage. Bruh, this is the plug-in for you. And I'm not even finna edit that out. This is the plug-in for you, bro. It's easy, simple, and the learning curve is nowhere. Zero. So let's take a listen. This record I have it on is called Chickens on a, well, it's called Stick. What the hook is Chickens on a Stick. It's by Biz, the MC. And let's take a listen. I'm just letting you guys hear just the instrumental. Let's take a listen. All right, so this is the original mix. I felt like I had the kick thumping until I put this on. So check this out. I'm finna tweak it, play around with it. But before I do that, let's dive into the controls. So it's a harmonics. It adds harmonics to the low frequencies. It can be anywhere between 20 cycles up to 240 cycles here. So as you can see, you can just dial in where you want the harmonics to sit between here and here. Plain and simple. Then you have two lit radar looking detectors here. One to the left would say sub -2. So it's 2 octaves below this. And then this is 1 octave below. All right. Plain and simple. Then you have drive, aka distortion. Then you have dynamics, aka compression. You have a clicker here, a lit button here, basically, and you switch between stereo and mono. It's plain and simple. If you got a stereo source, you can use stereo, mono, use a mono source, or better yet, just try it, see which one sounds best for you in your situation. You got a mix knob, which a dry wet knob, basically parallel, and then you have an output. Plain and simple. That's it, you guys. It can't go wrong. So let's go back to default. Let's load back to default. And let's loop the kick. I already have it inserted on, because you have 2 kicks. Let's loop this. So I have it like on the accent, the subby kick, which what I use to be the subby kick. So let's take a listen. Let's move it over. So I want to hear exactly what it's doing, so I'm finna make it straight up wet. All right. Let's get rid of the second kick. You hear the sub that is adding? Oh, that's dope. It's rattling my speakers right now. So right now I'm just trying to dial in a good feel. Okay, so the 1 octave down, I want to do that with the other kick in. And since I don't know, I'm trying to figure out, maybe since I got a stereo kick and I didn't change it, let's try stereo. I like that better. Okay, that's distortion. I hear that. Not that much. Maybe some dynamic. Not that much. Dial it back. All right. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling this one. Let's hear it with the rest of the instrument. Yeah, I know that 808 got a hiss to it, but yeah. So, in all actuality, it just made it rumble. And it's easy. I just dialed it in. Basically, I just turned the knobs right in front of you guys. My first time playing with it. Plain and simple, you guys. My advice, because you know how I am, you know my slogan, you know the slogan. It's plain and simple right here. Try it out. Go try it out for a couple days. If you like it, purchase it. If you don't, move on. There's other things you can do. I'll leave that for another video. Make sure you guys go smash the like button. Hey, in the comments below, let's start a dialogue. Tell me what plugins you guys like. Remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. I'm still here, but you know.